Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm looking at an all-new apartment. This is a high-rise in the downtown Dallas area. It's called the Modera St. Paul. It's a beautiful high-rise. I can't wait to show this off to you. It's going to be gorgeous, and this is just a stunning looking high-rise. I love it. It's modern, it's fun, and frankly we needed it in the downtown Dallas area. There's a lot of great buildings here, but they're older buildings. They're older but renovated, a few new buildings, but we need something like this here, and I think you're going to love seeing this. What we're going to do is we're going to do the best tour ever of the Modera St. Paul. We're going to take a look inside. We're going to look at the models. We're going to look at amenities, and we're going to give you just a great view of what it would be like here to live at the Modera St. Paul. If you have questions anytime about anything that you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. That's my personal cell, and ask questions anytime. Also, if you're ready to set up a tour, you can use that same text. Just say, hey, I'd love to do a virtual tour or a live tour, and we set that up always free as a part of our 100% free service. The next video we're going to do is we're going to talk about the area just a little bit, and then we're going to go to the garage, and then we're going to right in. So let's go right to the area video right now.